I'm glad to welcome you back. My name is Engineer Hope Harisi. In our last video, we did a comprehensive overview of the Revit workspace. We said at the end of that video that we're going to start making models in our next video, which is this particular video we are in now. And to start making models, we need to take levels. Levels are height or depth defining parameters in Revit architecture. You take levels to define key heights or key depths in your Revit architecture models. Now, like we said before, this is the entire Revit workspace, and you have the main menu bar, and right in your main menu bar you have tabs. Now, right in the architecture tab, if you go to your datum panel, you see level. Now, this is a plan view. If you take a look at your project browser, you see that level 0 in our floor plan view is highlighted, showing that we are in level 0 of our floor plan view. Now, by default, you have level 0 and level 1 in your floor plan view. Now, if you need to set other levels, we need to define them by yourself. Now, if we want to set new levels apart from these two default levels 0 and level 1, we have to be in an elevation view. Okay, we have 4 elevation views here: east elevation, north elevation, south elevation, and west elevation. Like we established in our overview videos, this is your project browser. Now, let us proceed to set an additional level. So I go to my east elevation by double clicking. Now you can see our levels, level 1 and level 0. Now this level 0 is assumed to be your natural ground level. Now let us set another level. The new level we are going to set will represent our building floor. This is our natural ground level. Okay, so let's take another level. All you need to do, okay, let me escape this first. All you need to do is to come to your datum panel and click on level. When you click on level, you come back to your modeling area, you click and place it, and then you drag. So this is our level. Now let us take our building floor level to be 300 away from the natural ground level. What we have here currently now is 900. So all you need to do is just to click it and then type in your 300. Good. So that is it. Now, in order to properly distinguish levels, you have to give them unique names. Now, we said this our level 2 is our building floor level. So let's call it building floor level. Building floor level. Call it building floor, and then okay, you say yes, and then we call this level 0 our compound floor level. Compound floor. After you type, you just click outside and then click yes in the resulting dialog box. Okay, so we have our building floor level, which is the level on which you're standing on when you move into your building, and then we have our compound floor level, which is the natural ground. Then here we can name this, we can name this, because that level you are seeing there, this level you are seeing here is the level of the topmost part of the wall of the building. So we can call here top floor, top wall, top wall, top wall level. So you just click outside and click OK. So we have succeeded in setting these levels. Now, this training section we are in, or this training workshop we are in, I want us to use practical case scenario for all of our work, because if we do that, we are going to properly understand how the software works. So we are going to be treating different type of buildings. First of all, this is just a ground floor building. After we've done this ground floor building, we'll then proceed to a story building. So in doing that, we'll be able to understand very well how to use the software practically to model buildings. So we go back to our floor plan level. Okay, let's go to our compound floor. Now I've succeeded in setting 3 levels. We set levels for the compound floor, then we set level for the building floor, and then we set level for the top wall. Now in our next video, we are going to see how we will model walls in this our current project. We're also going to see how we model floors, how we are going to change wall types, how we are going to set new wall types from already existing walls, and all of that. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next video.